Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. How to recover data from a dead or damaged hard drive, 2024 edition. Losing data from a hard drive, especially a dead or damaged one, is a nightmare scenario. But don't panic. While success isn't guaranteed, you can often recover valuable files with the right approach and tools. This comprehensive tutorial will guide you through the process in 2024, covering common causes of hard drive failure, diagnostic steps, recovery methods, from simple to advanced, and even coding examples where applicable. Disclaimer: data recovery can be risky. Improper handling or using incorrect tools can worsen the damage and reduce your chances of successful recovery. Proceed with caution and always back up your healthy drives before attempting anything. If the data is critically important, consider engaging professional data recovery services, covered later. Understanding the enemy, common causes of hard drive failure.